who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time we fall. You're the best friend. I know you can't stand, but part of you will never ever go away. Your heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. I don't need eyes to see the love you bring to me, no matter where I go. And I know that you'll be there forevermore, a part of me, you're everywhere. Always care. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. And I'll be right behind your shoulder, watching you. I'll be standing by your side in all you do, and I won't ever leave as long as you believe. You just believe. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle mind. If you lose your way, think back on your remember me this way. Remember me this way. This
Hi, Je! Happy birthday! Thankful ako kay Lord na bless ka niya ng 22nd birthday ngayon. I'm so happy na dumating ka sa life ko, and thank you for being my friend. And sana mag-grow ka pa kay Lord, and sana na isipin mo na kahit malayo kami sa'yo, love na love ka pa rin namin, and sana wag mo kaming kalimutan. I'm praying for your birthday na sana blessed ka and happy ka sa life mo. And sana makita pa tayo ulit, bumalik ka na dito.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday. Alam ko, masaya ka na dyan. Siguro, nakakalimutan mo ako, pero ako, hindi kita nakakalimutan. Kasi, alam mo naman, love na love kita. Hug-hug. lagi kang kasama ko. Mo, bakit? Kasi, natatandaan mo itong lace na to. Simula nung binigay mo sa akin to, hindi ko siya pinapalitan. Ito, dumi-dumi na nga eh. Kasi pag iniisip ko, napalitan ko to, parang mawawali ka sa akin. So, kahit ganito na siya, lagi ko pa rin siyang ginagamit para kasama kita. Happy birthday! I love you. Ingat ka ulit. Ingat ka lagi dyan. At ka maglala, papatayin namin si Gigi.
Happy birthday, Maggie Giselle. Praying for more greater things to come into your life and hoping for the best in your career, in your relationships with others, in your health, in your future plans, and especially with your walk with the Lord. Keep your heart burning for the glory of God and hope to see you soon. God bless you and your loved ones, especially your family, and ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday!
Ang wish ko, ang hope ko, sabi nga ni Pastor Steve, hope, hindi wish, hindi maging malakas, yung kalusugan ng katawan, maging maganda, more birthdays to come, at God bless you. Sana bless ka pa ng Panginoon sa mga darating na.
Yes. Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday, baby!
Hi, baby! Musta ka na na? Happy birthday!
Ikaw, girl. Ano handa mo, Dabe? Dadaan mo kami yung handa mo, Bia.
Ay, mabait at maganda. Labi niya ako pinagtitripan, pero mahal ko pa rin siya. Hi, baby! Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi dyan sa Amerika. Ingat kayo. Miss na namin kayo. Miss na namin kayo. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Giselle. More birthdays to come. Miss ka na namin dito sa
Sabi ni happy birthday. Ilan taon na siya? 25. 25? Oh, mag-age pala kami. Happy birthday! Good ito! Totoo na yan.
Snow na pa dyan.
Uy, Tips! Papakasuplado mo, mag-happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa imo good health kag more blessings pa kay kung sa love life. Do happy ka naman. Actually, both ka mo. Amo lang nagaling, layo anay, pero sige lang akay.
Happy 27th birthday. Take care always, kag ang health hindi pagkalimpad. I know many people na loves him here in the Philippines, but always open the line now, kag keep in touch. Just always stay happy, brilliant, sexy.
Pinangga, maligayang ka ako sa'yo. Sana maligaya ka sa araw-araw. Sana mga pang taon yung dumating sa'yo. At lagi ko pinagpapay na ingatan ka ng mga Panginoon. Sana lagi ka nga mag-iingat dyan kahit malayo ka sa amin. Hindi ka nakawala sa mga prayers namin. Alam ko rin na balang araw magkikita ulit tayo. Hindi mo natin alam yung araw na yun, pero alam ko na ibigay sa akin ng mahal pang ingat ka palagi dyan, ingat mo yung sarili mo, huwag ka masyadong manggagala, huwag ka masyadong magpapagaw. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Mga chuk-chuk!
you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing.